Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to use one of the fastest and most secure VPN apps available in 2024, TMR Tunnel VPN, specially designed for Android users. So let's jump right in. TMR Tunnel VPN is a 100% free proxy app that offers unlimited bandwidth and blazing fast VPN speeds. It's the perfect solution for Android users who want to enjoy fast, private, and secure internet access, all without any complicated setup or registration. Here's why so many users prefer TMR Tunnel. A large number of servers with high-speed bandwidth, unlimited time, data, and bandwidth. No login or registration required. 0 user logs saved. Choose which apps use the VPN. Android 4.4+. One tap, simple connect. Full privacy protection, no unnecessary permissions needed. Whether you want to unblock content, hide your IP, or secure your online activity, TMR Tunnel does it all. Now let's walk through how to install and set up TMR Tunnel VPN on your Android device. Open your Google Play Store and in the search bar, type TMR Tunnel. From the search results, locate the app and tap the Install button. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. On the home screen, you'll see 2 main options, server and network location. Start by tapping on the server button. A list of available servers will appear. Choose your desired server from the list. Just tap and it's selected. Next, tap on the network location button. Again, a list of locations will open. Pick any location you prefer and tap to select it. Once both the server and location are set, tap the Start button. You're now connected to a fast and secure VPN tunnel. And that's it! TMR Tunnel VPN is now ready to protect your privacy and boost your browsing speed. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with friends who need a powerful VPN app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.